Most Trusted Developer of the Year, and this award goes to Adhipati Group. Mr. Amolji Sarvise and Mr. Pravinji Singha. न्याय त्यांच्या माध्यमातून भेटला आहे म्हणून हा पुढील पुरस्कार नामांकन कॅटेगरी आहे महिला सक्षमीकरण गौरव पुरस्कार आणि हा पुरस्कार ज्यांच्या नावावरती कोरला जातोय ते म्हणजे विशेष समाज कल्याण परिषद आणि याच्या नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट माननीय सौ अर्चनाजी एस दोंदारे. महिला उद्योजकता पुरस्कार त्यांच्या नावावरती कोरला जातोय. महिला सक्षमीकरण उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार आणि या कॅटेगरीतील पुरस्कार जातोय विशेष समाज कल्याण परिषदेच्या स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट ॲडव्होकेट सौ संजना गौड परमार, मिस्टर अब्दुल मेहबूब शेख and Miss Komal Krishna Iyer is the director of Miss Soha Properties Private Limited. शाह उपाध्याय फायनान्शियल प्लॅनर आहेत. ट्रेडिंग मध्ये खूप मोठं त्यांचं काम आहे आणि आजपर्यंत त्यांचा पोर्टफोलिओ 100 करोडच्या वरती आहे. 100 करोड क्रॉस केलेला आहे त्यांनी. ॲज वेल ट्रस्टेड फायनान्शियल ॲडवायझर अवॉर्ड मिस्टर हर्षद सहाने सर. Award category Customers Experience Leadership Award, and now this award goes to HealthSys Technologies Head of Global Technical Support. Now award is Mr. Chandrakant Gurunath Biradar, is the Chairman of Jagat Jyoti Multi-State Cooperative Credit Society, Latur. I would like to call on the stage Global Fresh Products Export Award, and the award is now goes to Mahamahin Overseas Founder and Owner Mr. Kaleshwar Krishnaji Devira. Congratulations, sir. Gurlin Jitto. Gurlin, now please have a stage. Our category Best Overall Digital Marketing and Branding Campaign, and this award goes to Livelihood Digital Marketing Services and Digital Marketing Director Gurlin Jitto. Our next award category is Clinical Nutrition Excellence Award, and this award goes to the proprietor of Nutrition with Vidya, Mrs. Vidya Saba. Award goes to the CEO and founder, Responsible Parenting Academy, Dr. Rupali Kulkarni Kable. Best Luxury Interior Design Award, Artigiano Interior and CEO, Mrs. Nisha Nikhil Verma. Best Academic Excellence Award, and now this award goes to JEE Mad Academy and Director Mr. Rameshwar Manik Fiskesa, RN Narsingwala. Excellence in Patient Care Award, and this award goes to RN Narsingwala Home Health Care and Private Limited. Most Trusted Travel Brand of this year, and this award goes to Exotica Travels Private Limited and his director Mr. Samir Maruti Yerpane. Our category Excellence in Material Supply Award, and now this award goes to Essentials India Private Limited. Now award category Fastest Growing Farmer Producer Company, and this award goes to Dean Paro Farmer Producer Company Director Mrs. Priya Gaikwad. Mr. Dilip Prabhu Pawar. Dilip sir, please have a stage. Category Best Facility Management Company Award, and this award goes to Clean India Founder. Award category Outstanding Baking and Confectionery Workshop Provider, and this award goes to the Bake and More Studio Baker and Instructor Mrs. Shilpa Gavresh Birasa, Priyanka Sanjay Narave. Award category Best Professional Design and Coaching Academy. This award goes to Royal Beach Priyanka Coaching Classes. Excellence in Quality Service, and award goes to I Mahalakshmi Enterprises, proprietor of Ashish Razurka. Our next award category is Rural Dentist of the Year, and award goes to Sri Danta Dental and Multi Specialty Clinic, Dr. Riya Sanjay Sarve. Our next award Durgeshwari Dahipale. Award category Outstanding English and Personality Development Academy, and now this award goes to DD English Academy Founder and CEO Director Mr. Ashok Brijkishore Gupta and Mr. Hemant Keshav Rao Vaidya. क्या बात है. Best Woman Entrepreneur in Laundry Business business, and award goes to Turbotree Dry Clean and Laundry. Mr. Ashok Brijkishore Gupta is the director and founder, and Mr. Hemant Keshwara Vaidya co-founder. Dr. Prashant Khante. Award category now, Excellence in Strategic Business Advisory. And now this award goes to C100R Advisor Private Limited and the director and CEO Dr. Prashant Khande. Mr. Naveen Anil Sawant. Award category, Wedding Photographer of the Year, Mr. Dharmendra Singh. Award category, Excellence in Digital Media Marketing, and this award goes to Moblog Media and founder of Moblog Media, Mr. Dev Jangir, the founder of Avenue Design Studio. And now award category is Best Turnkey Interior Solution Provider, Ms. Sushma Vittal Sonavne. And now award category is Best Infrastructure Development Company, and this award goes to Sushma Infra Developers. Owner is Ms. Sushma Vittal Sonavne. Now I will like call on the stage Mr. Amolji Dale. Ms. Triti Parvatish. Triti Parvatish, Best Child Model of the Year, Emerging Lawyer and Best Legal Services Excellence Award. And now this award goes to very famous advocate Mr. Bhushan Vijay Khokre. So please, I would like call on the stage our next award category, Farmer Improvement Excellence Award. And now this award goes to Mahadragon Fruit Association, and the Mahadragon Fruit Association, the founder and president, Dr. Madhukar Potada. Best Corporate Training Company, and now this award goes to Corporate Excellence, Director and Founder, Mr. Bhushan Hiralekar and Ms. Madhura Kamble. Excellence in Medical and Healthcare Products Award, and now this award goes to Sunsint Pharma, and his Sunsint's Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Mukul Mane. Now I will like call on the stage our next awardee. Category is a Luxury Interior Design and Excellence Award, and now this award goes to Arhamba Architect and the interior designer Mr. Somnath Bharat Karale. And now this award category, Best Mehndi Artist and Trainer, and now this award goes to Akanksha Mehndi Artist and the Professional Mehndi Artist and Trainer Mrs. Akanksha Atul Falke. Now our next awardee, Yashwantraya Suresh Singakranti. Award category, Best Preschool of the Year, and now this award goes to Kiddos Planet Schools and the director Gauri Pavan Kumar Sonka. And now this award goes to Euphoria International School and the founder and director of Euphoria International School, Mrs. Manjari Mandar Lapte. And now the award category, Best AI Driven Digital Marketing Institute in Maharashtra. Now this award goes to Poo Infotech Digital Solution Private Limited, and this Digital Solution Private Limited founders Mr. Somnil Patil and Rajkumar Mashalkar. Award category, Health and Wellness Product Innovation Award, and this award goes to Sona for Health Technology Private Limited and CEO Mr. Sanjay Ramchandra Shrikante. Award category, Excellence in Space Planning and Interior Architecture, and award goes to Akriti Interiors, Interior Architect Ms. Shweta Patil.